How's it going, Abe? Welcome back to the Great Green North. Welcome back to part 4 of my lawn care basics series. This is a series where I go through lawn care basics in a quick, fast fashion for those you looking just to get into lawn care. Today we're going to be talking about watering, how to water your lawn. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the most simple thing to talk about is with watering your lawn. Number one, you are never going to be able to replicate Mother Nature's rain. It is impossible. So do not expect your watering to be completely perfect. You're never going to be able to replicate Mother Nature's rain, and in a severe drought situation, it doesn't matter what type of watering you do, you're still going to see some summer die-off. So that's the first thing to keep in mind while you're watering your lawn. Number two, how much water does your lawn need? Your lawn needs a ½ inch to a full inch of water every week, depending on how established your roots are. You want to make sure that you're watering deep and infrequent. So this means that you want to water for an hour once to twice a week instead of 10 minutes every day during the week. The deeper waterings you have, the farther down that water is going, the farther it's pushing your lawn, your roots, to go down into the soil to look for water. So when you're watering deep and infrequent, you're encouraging your lawn to go and look for water, and your lawn will actually need less water the better and deeper you water. So let's talk about how to put down a ½ inch of water. The simplest thing you need to do is you need to get a rain gauge. It looks like this, or you can get a tuna can. You put that down, you let your sprinkler run, and you time until you either fill the tuna can halfway full, or you fill up to the ½ inch line on the rain gauge. This will tell you how much water you've put down. When you've timed how long it takes to get that ½ inch of water down, then you just need to remember that and repeat it. So every time you put out your sprinkler, say it takes about 30 minutes to get a ½ inch of water down, then you know that you have to put down your sprinkler at 30 minutes in every spot that you tend to put it down. Folks, it's that simple. You need to water a ½ inch to a full inch of water every week. So you can either water 1/2 inch installment, you want to water about every 2 to 3 days. That's the easiest way to say it. Same as your mowing. So every time you finish mow, you put on the sprinkler and you give your lawn a little bit of water. It's that simple. That's it, folks. That's how to water your lawn. If you have any questions, leave it down below. If you're looking for more real-time lawn tips, please subscribe to the Great Green North. We will be coming here soon into spring talking about real-time lawn tips, all of these in season round. If you're looking for real-time lawn coaching one-on-one, you can check out my website or my Patreon in the link in the description down below. And from the Great Green North, my name is Win Murray. Thank you guys for watching, and keep it green.